Hello students, good morning. In this video, I will teach you about Unit 2 Roman numerals. In this unit, we will learn about what is Hindu-Arabic numerals. Then, what is Roman numerals? Then, what is the difference between them? What is the difference between Hindu-Arabic numerals and Roman numerals? Then we will learn about how to form Roman numerals, which symbols we are using to write Roman numerals. Then we will learn about what are the rules and principles to form Roman numerals. How we are making Roman numerals, that rules we will learn, and finally we will move towards exercise work which is based on Roman numerals. So these are the points according to we move in this unit. So here our first point is what is Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now see students, Hindu-Arabic numerals. Numerals are used to represent numbers. We usually use the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The method of writing all numbers using 10 numerals started in India. So this method is started in India. It was later spread around the world by the Arabs. After India, it has spread around the world by the Arabs. So these numerals are often called Hindu-Arabic numerals because it is first started in India, that is Hindu, and later on at Arab, so Hindu-Arabic. Hence Hindu-Arabic numerals, the number system based on the place value of a digit. So this is a number system in which the number system is basically based on the place value of given digit. And in this system, for expressing all numbers, we use 10 symbols. What that 10 symbols are? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, these 10 numerals as a symbol we are using in Hindu-Arabic numerals to know the number, either it is larger or smaller or whatever digit number it is. So these 10 digits numbers are verifying their values according to the position or place they have occupied. For example, we have a number 295. Now this number is of 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. In this, 5 is at ones, 9 is at tens, and 2 is at hundreds. So these are their position at what they are situated, like 2 at 100 place, 9 at tens place, and 5 at ones place. So these are the position of these numbers, digits. So students, in Hindu-Arabic numeral system, the place value of a given digit is very important, and in this system 0 is also very important for formation of numbers. So in short, we can say Hindu-Arabic numeral system is basically based on the place value system, which starts from 0 and having 10 symbol 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 as the basic symbol for writing the numbers, and it is basically depends on place value system. Okay, so this is Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Now let us see what is Roman numerals. So students, The mathematicians of ancient Rome have developed a different numeration system than Hindu-Arabic numerals. This is a different numeration system which is different from Hindu-Arabic numeration system, which is known as Roman numeral system. So students, what is the difference in between? The difference is that they used 7 letters. They have used 7 letters of the alphabet. The Roman have used 7 letters of alphabet as the basic symbols to write any number. So this is the basic difference. They are not using the numerals like 0, 1, 2, 3 and all. Instead of that, they are using 7 letters from the alphabet as a symbol to write the number. So what that symbols are, what that letters are, let us see what that letters are. See, I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These are the 7 letters which they have used as a symbol to write numerals in their Roman number system. And one important difference in Hindu-Arabic and numeral and Roman number system is that in Roman number system there is no symbol for 0. That in Hindu-Arabic Roman number Hindu-Arabic system, 0 play an important role for forming the number. It has its importance in that system. But here in Roman number system, there is no symbol. There is no symbol for 0. Only these 7 letters are using for making the formation of numbers. Now, this symbol does not use place value. What is the other difference between these two? That this Roman system is not based on place value. It does not work according to the place value system. So this is the basic difference between these Roman numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals, that in Roman numerals they are using 7 letters from the alphabet as a symbol to write the numbers, and there is no place of 0 and there is no place value system. So students, this is Roman numerals. Now see the students, what is the value of Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals, as we are using Hindu-Arabic numeral system. So let us find the value of Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals by converting it. Now see, I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. So these are the values of these letters which the Roman numerals uses. So students, in this video we have learned about what is Hindu-Arabic numerals, what is Roman numerals, what is the difference in between, what are the basic symbols of Roman numerals, and what the value of Roman numerals according to Hindu-Arabic numerals. In my next video, we will learn more about Roman numerals, how to form it, and what is the basic rules to write Roman numerals.